romantic, relating to love or a close, loving relationship. She loved how he always found a way to make even the simplest moments feel romantic. Flirting. To chat or tease playfully. To behave amorously without serious intent. She was flirting with him by smiling and making playful jokes. Piggyback ride. After a long hike, she playfully asked for a piggyback ride to the car, laughing as he obliged. PDA means public display of affection. PDA makes some people uncomfortable. Kissing, or the US slang making out. For example, he kissed me. Or to be informal, using slang, we made out behind the bleachers. Dating. Dating is when couples spend time together to explore their compatibility and get to know each other. For example, they started dating last summer. In love means to love someone very much in a romantic way. Being in love feels wonderful. Thanks for watching.